In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add link to unsubscribe in Sendgrid. To begin, make sure you are signed in to Sendgrid and that you are in the main dashboard area. Unsubscribe links are an important part of email communication because they help recipients manage their preferences and stay compliant with email best practices. This process is also helpful for keeping your email lists healthier and your campaigns more professional. First, click Marketing. This takes you into the section of Sendgrid where you can manage marketing-specific settings and features, including how unsubscribe options are handled. After you click Marketing, you should see related options appear on your screen, typically focused on lists and send settings. Next, click Unsubscribe Groups. Unsubscribe groups are the categories that control where a recipient will go or what will happen when they choose to unsubscribe. This step matters because you will be selecting a group later when you attach the unsubscribe option to a specific email. Now click Create New Group. Take a moment to look for the button or link that starts the creation process, since naming and configuring groups is what gives you control over your unsubscribe behavior. When you choose to create a new group, you are essentially setting up the container that your email settings will reference. After that, enter a group name and description. Choose a clear group name that will help you recognize what it is used for, especially if you plan to create multiple groups for different campaigns or purposes. In the description field, add a short, plain explanation so that you and your team can understand the intent of the group at a glance. Then, double-check both entries for spelling and clarity before moving forward. Next, click Save. Saving ensures that the new unsubscribe group is created and available for selection in your emails. After you save, you may be returned to the list of unsubscribed groups, or you may see a confirmation that the group was created successfully. Now go back to the marketing area by clicking Marketing again. You're doing this because you will now create or edit the specific email that will use the unsubscribe group you just set up. This connection between the group and the email settings is the core goal of this tutorial. Next, click Single Sends. This option is where you can open individual emails that you plan to send, as opposed to other types of sending workflows. You may see a page where you can create a new email or manage existing ones. Then open or create an email. If you already have an email draft, open it so you can update its settings. If you are creating a new one, set up the email as normal until you reach the configuration or settings area where unsubscribe options can be selected. Once your email is open, go to Settings. In the Settings section, look for the option that relates to unsubscribe behavior. You are about to connect the email to the unsubscribe group you created earlier. In Settings, select the unsubscribe group. Choose the specific group you created, since that is the group that will be referenced by the unsubscribe link for this email. This ensures that when recipients click unsubscribe, they are routed through the correct group settings. Finally, click Save. This confirms the email configuration changes, so the unsubscribe link behavior will be included when you send the message. It is a good idea to wait for the save to complete before exiting, to avoid losing your updates. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.